Now, the preset editor located in the lower left-hand corner of the workspace is really kind of a duplication of a couple of areas that we've already taken a look at. Number one, if we come up to Image, and as we've seen, if we want to copy these correction settings and then apply them to other images, we can certainly do that. But the other thing we can do is say New Preset from the current settings. We can import the preset. We can export the preset, maybe send it to a friend, whatever. If you want to take this DxO PhotoLab preset and add it to your collection in Lightroom, you can do that. So everything that you can do to a preset is located up here and is duplicated in this little workspace down here on the lower left. Now we can duplicate the preset right here. We can create a new preset group. We can duplicate the same preset, and from here we can create a new preset using the settings of the currently previewed image. So if you prefer to use the little dialog box down here, then you can certainly do that. If it confuses you to come up and do the same thing up here, it's just really what you're most comfortable with in terms of layout and presentation. Personally, I enjoy coming up here, and when I click on this, I get all these presets, and then for this specific image, I get a demonstration of everything that's going to happen if I choose it. So certainly don't want that, don't want this. Although it may have worked for the image of Ashley Nicole at the time that I shot her portrait, it's not going to work for this landscape shot. And so we scroll through all of these and we can find the one we want. This one has possibilities, maybe a little oversaturated, but otherwise it might have possibilities. But I think the one that I like the best, since I've scrolled through here before, is the one titled Logazoi. So if you click on Logazoi, this is what you're going to end up with. I mean, I'm kind of repeating myself a little bit on this preset stuff, but really it's just a matter of where you're the most comfortable working, either down here or up here in the drop-down area or up here in the upper right-hand corner. So the preset editor in DxO PhotoLab 4.